Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give an update on my portfolio. So right now my portfolio is at $50,343.40. Today was a pretty crazy day. As you can see, for most of the day I was in the red, but I managed to pretty much break even and even end up in the green in the after hours. Things have been just really downhill lately because, as you know, I'm investing mostly in SPACs, and SPACs have been getting destroyed. And yeah, I've been hurting a lot. I deposited some more money into my account, about $1,000. Otherwise, I would be below 50,000 right now. But yeah, things have not been going well for the SPACs in my portfolio. They've been going down a lot, and they do have a general floor of about $10, but they've been getting down to that floor. You know what I'm saying? So it's crazy. But let's go through how all my holdings are doing. All right, so CPNG right now is at $43.91. My average cost per share was $45 a share, so it's down. My total return down about 2%. I'm selling a covered call on this at the strike price of $45. So if it does stay at about $43, that would actually be pretty ideal. I would actually like that. So the covered call expires on the 16th. So we'll see what happens then. If it goes over 45, I'm fine with that because I end up making a profit. If it goes under 45, I'm fine with that too because I plan to hold it long term if I need to. So it's okay. Now, GSAH. So I'm selling the 12.5 put on GSAH. Right now it's at $10.49. This expires on the 16th in April, so we'll see what happens and where it's at on the 16th. So far, it's going okay. IPOF. I'm selling a covered call, $20 covered call. That expires on the 16th. And then I'm selling some more $20 covered call at the $20 strike price, expiring 5/21. IPOD. I've got a spread. I got a 7.5 $10 call debit spread. So this is basically a bet that IPOD will be above $10 on October 15th. So hopefully it will be above $10 in October. BABA, $195 $200 call debit spread. It's a bet that Alibaba will be above $200 on November 19th. Right now, Alibaba is at 224. So it's been getting low. Alibaba in the 220s, that's dangerously low to the $200 mark. So I don't know what's going to happen. But I'm holding on to this for now. IPOF, 7.5 $10 call debit spread. It's a bet that IPOF will stay above $10 on December 17th. Right now, oh my goodness, so many of the SPACs, IPOF, IPOD, GSAH, they're getting underneath $11 and they're in the $10 and something cents range, you know? So it's scary holding on to these, honestly. They're getting really low. And now let's look at my stocks that I actually own. 1,000 shares of GSAH. So I got 1,000 shares of that. IPOF, I got 1,700 shares. IPOD, 700 shares. And CPNG, 100 shares. And if you guys have noticed, my GME play is now gone because I closed it already. I closed it for a profit. GameStop. So it made a dip. It was around 200 something dollars, and then I think, yeah, yesterday the 24th, I think it went down by a lot to like 120, and that's when I got rid of the play during this dip here. Today it went up It went up today about 52%. So I'm glad I got rid of it yesterday. But yeah, I just needed to get rid of it because I was basically in danger of getting margin called. So yeah, put debit spread. I got rid of it. I closed these for 880 each. I got rid of all of them yesterday, March 24th. So now it's gone. So yeah, I made a couple $100 in profit from that play. And it really isn't my I didn't really want to get rid of it, but I had to because what happened was, okay, when I bought things on margin, I thought, okay, as long as they stay above their margin requirements, I'm good, I'm okay. What I didn't really take into account is the margin requirements themselves could change while I'm holding them. So here's what happened. So I own a bunch of IPOF, right? Let's look at the margin requirements if I can. Wait. Oh, I have to click over here, I think. Yeah. What the heck? Yeah, the margin requirement, initial requirement, 80%. This used to be, I think, around 54%. But they upped that. So I had to deposit more money or get rid of positions in order to meet those requirements. And IPOD, they completely got rid of the ability to buy it on margin. As you can see, initial requirement, 100%. So you can't even use margin to buy IPOD anymore. They completely changed it. And I own like 700 shares. So that affected my portfolio a lot. And that's the thing I didn't take into account is that, you know, I just thought, okay, these are the margin requirements that I got in at. And then as long as I meet those requirements, I'm good. But they changed it up on me. Robinhood changed their margin requirements on me. Some of them, like IPOD, you can't even buy on margin anymore. The requirement is 100%. And then IPOF went from, I think, 54% to 80%. So these two are like most of my portfolio, a huge chunk of my portfolio. So it really screwed me over. If it was up to me, I would have just kept my GameStop play. I would have just kept it. But I really had no choice. I had to free up some cash so that I wouldn't get margin called. It really sucks. And the thing is, like, it's so weird that Robinhood would make the decision to change the margin requirements while these SPACs are near their bottoms. You know what I'm saying? Like, you would think that they would do this when volatility is super higher and there's more danger. But the fact that SPACs are getting closer to the bottom, this is like the safest time to buy the SPAC. So it really doesn't make sense to me. I mean, out of any time to buy SPACs, now would be actually the safest time. But Robinhood is treating it as if this is the most dangerous time to buy them and it's super risky, so they have to adjust their margin requirements now. It doesn't make any sense. I fail to see the logic here, but whatever. It is what it is. So yeah, I had to just get rid of that play just so I could meet my requirements and keep my shares. Because I thought, okay, I could get rid of these shares and keep my GameStop position play. But the thing is, I was actually up on my GameStop position, the $310 put debit spread. I was actually in a profit with that. But these are at their lows right now. So the way I saw it is that these actually have more potential upside at this point. So I decided to keep the SPACs and get rid of my GameStop put debit spread. So that's why I did. Not because I wanted to and because, I thought that I wasn't going to be profitable with that play in the end. Because I think I was. I mean, under 300, I think GameStop... I was willing to bet that GameStop would stay under 300, and it has in the time that I've owned that play, right? So I felt comfortable holding it. It's just that Robinhood changed the margin requirements on me and basically forced me to get rid of something. So whatever. I'm not happy about it, but I dealt with it the best way that I saw fit. And now my GameStop position is now gone. All I own are SPACs and CPNG. Hopefully SPACs will rebound soon. I really hope SPACs stop getting destroyed day after day and make a rebound soon, and we'll see more green days. That's what I really hope. But yeah, for right now, I'm holding on. I'm trying to just remain calm and not panic, because if I panic sell, that would be the wrong decision. If I panic sell, I'm just trying to stay calm and just be patient. That's what that's what a lot of investing really is you have to be patient. A lot of people, they expect to make money right away, and I don't think that way at all. I mean, as you can see, a bunch of my spreads, they expire like towards the end of the year. So I gotta wait like many, many months in order for me to see any kind of real profit from these. And same thing with my SPACs. I'm willing to hold on to them for, however long it takes for them to shoot up, if they ever do. But yeah, I'm just being patient about it. And hopefully, in the end, I'll make some money out of it. All right. That's it for my portfolio update. Hopefully, my patience will pay off. I'm just trying to hold on. And good luck to everyone else. I know everyone else is probably hurting right now because a lot of stocks have been going down and down recently. So hopefully we can all just hang on and be patient and hopefully come out profitable in the end. All right, good luck, guys, and thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.